What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be testing out one of TORRAS's strongest tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And we're going to be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how durable the screen protector really is, so you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video to see those results. It's 10 times military grade protected, it's got double the durability of regular tempered glass screen protectors, it's got an oleophobic coating for fingerprint rejection, and it's crystal clear. And I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. This is also a 2-pack, so in case the first screen protector you get doesn't work or something happens to it, you have another one in backup. So here we get an installation guide, 2 installation packets, your instructions, a squeegee, and 2 tempered glass screen protectors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your screen thoroughly and then dry it off with the cloth. Then remove any dust if there is any. Once you've done that, you're going to take your guide, make sure you have the top portion at the top here that goes towards the camera on your phone. Just simply place this over your phone and press it into place just like that. Then you're going to take one of your screen protectors. You're going to hold it on the sides and just simply peel back the plastic piece on the back of the screen protector just like so, and then place this right into the guide. Then run your finger down the middle and it should adhere to the whole screen by itself. Once that's done, take 2 fingers, press down on your phone, lift up on the guide, making sure it doesn't take the screen protector with it. Then you can take your squeegee and squeegee out any bubbles you might see. That was a beautiful installation, super easy, no bubbles that I can see. It is also a full coverage screen protector as well. It looks like there's a slight gap around the edge of the phone, so it should be case friendly. We're going to test that out. Now as far as touch goes, it is super smooth, just like the glass on the phone. Very nice. Super clear, no issues there. Now as far as your Face ID, let's test that out. No problems there. There's the link for the screen protector on Amazon. Look at that, nice and clear. Touch, nice and smooth. No issues whatsoever. Very nice. Let's take a couple selfies to see how those look. Nice and clear. I don't see any issues there. So now let's put it in our case to see if it is case friendly. So it does look like it leaves a slight gap in some areas around the phone. Now this case I'm using here is a rubble case, and it seems to work perfectly fine with the screen protector. But the only way you're going to know if this screen works with your case is to actually use it, because unfortunately not all cases are built the same. But I don't see any lifting, any problems with the screen in this case. So that's definitely a plus. Let's test out the fingerprint rejection. So it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but because it's so smooth, you can very easily wipe those away with minimal effort. So far I am absolutely loving the screen protector. Now let's see how durable it is with the drop and the scratch test. Okay, this drop test is for the TORRAS Diamond Shield tempered glass screen protector. We're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball onto the screen from a height of about 2 feet. If it survives 2 feet without cracking, we'll then raise it up foot by foot until it eventually cracks. So here we go at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet. Here we go at 4 feet. Here we go at 5 feet. Here we go at 6 feet. And it cracked at 6 feet. Still not bad. So it lasted up until a 6-foot drop, which is definitely not bad at all. Now we're going to test out the scratch resistance. Now regular tempered glass screen protectors typically will start to scratch at a level 6 Mohs pick. So we're going to start off with level 5 and we'll move up from there. All right, so here we have a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then finally, number 7. All right, so if we take a closer look here, you can see that there are no scratches at the level 5. There are a slight level 6 and just a little bit deeper at a level 7. So it's definitely on par with 9H hardness tempered glass scratch resistance. So I definitely like this screen protector, and it's definitely up there with some of the better screen protectors that I've tested. Installation was a breeze. It fit really nice inside the case that I was using. There were no bubbles, and scratch and drop protection are excellent. So if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting a product link in the video description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel and see more of these videos, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.